How's it going, guys? It's Richard from Asus Australia here. What we have for you today is the ultimate gaming router, the ROG Rapture GT-AC5300, which was designed with one thing and one thing in mind: make your gaming network awesome. Now, believe it or not, your router plays a vital role in getting you the fastest internet speeds and lowest pings possible. This router is what you've been missing and you don't even know it. It is a tri-band router supporting two 5 GHz bands and one 2.4 GHz band. These speeds enable you to connect and connect and connect your multiple of devices all at once. So what makes this router for gamers like yourself? Firstly, it has our latest range boost technology coupled with our award-winning AI radar technology, which delivers up to 120% Wi-Fi coverage compared to conventional routers. What this means is it provides better throughput and lower pings over the same distance. In addition to that, you are able to dedicate one of those 5 GHz bands for wireless gaming traffic. What this means for you is that you have uninterrupted traffic on that band, ensuring your latency is low and gaming experience is optimized. If you're any type of serious gamer, you will want a strong, stable LAN connection, and we've got exactly what you're looking for. The GT-AC5300 has 8 1 gigabit Ethernet ports, with 2 of them also being able to be dedicated to gaming specifically. And that's it for hardware. Let's take a look at the software. Out of the box, it comes equipped with our award-winning adaptive quality of service, the simplest and most effective way to prioritize to manage all types of traffic. In addition, it comes with built-in What the Fast software, which with the click of a button, you can create a super highway from your gaming station to your ISP to give you the strongest connection possible. With the internet being an integral part of our lives now, internet security is vital to ensure our information stays safe. With the GT-AC5300, you know you're covered. It has built-in AI protection powered by Trend Micro. Not only does it prevent threats from entering your network, they will not be able to reach any devices on your network, which gives you a peace of mind so you can remain focused on your gaming. And if all this isn't enough, then you can't blame your connection for being bad. That's it for now. If you want more information, click the link down in the description, and we'll see you next time.